Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam POV, and the title of the video is Shoplifter Tries to Wear Stolen Items Out of Mall. Now that sounds crazy, okay? Come on, it's bad enough you done stole the stuff. Now you're trying to
Square Mall.
Wear it outside. Let's go.
Regarding a shoplifting in progress. Loss prevention advised officers that a 58-year-old male was concealing merchandise and was headed for the door.
Oh, come on, 58. You too old for that now. I'm expecting a teenager or something now. You too old.
Sir. Sir, I'm Detective Franco with the police department. They said you put something in there that you didn't pay for. Those sweats in there.
Still got the hanger on them?
Alright, you got ID on you?
No, I can get it.
What's your name, man?
Anthony Bell. That's my name.
Central. I'm out with Anthony Bell. Where are you from?
Macon.
You ever been arrested for shoplifting before?
In the 90s.
Like how many times?
Once.
Alright, so you only have like one conviction?
Not mine. No, that was all.
Alright, well...
I'm gonna tell you what's going on. I got it.
Go ahead.
I'm trying to have a search.
Well, that's fine. Just come in there and work with us. We'll check your history. If you don't have a lot of history, might even just cut your citation, let you out of here. We do that. You're cooperative? What?
I'm just making sure nothing else.
No, I got a bag.
They got a
colostomy
bag.
Oh, a colostomy bag?
Yeah.
Oh, alright, cool.
My sweatpants.
Do you have sweatpants on under there?
Take them off.
Okay. Just come in here with us. Like I said, you only have one conviction? I don't know, but if you want to hang out for a little bit, as long as he done got a bunch of history, he's saying he doesn't, we'll give him a citation.
Let me ask you this right here.
Uh-huh.
Let me take them off right here and smoke a cigarette.
Well, let's go inside. Like I said, I'm not lying to you. If everything's cool, you might be leaving with her. What's your date of birth?
March 27, 65.
369 Central. Date of birth, March 27, 65. So you got a colostomy bag on?
Yeah.
Alright, that's cool. But you said only like one time.
Damn, the officer said his colostomy bag is cool. God damn, that's insensitive, dog. I ain't gonna lie to you. I know he ain't mean it like that, but I'm just saying. Bro, if this guy don't got no warrants or anything like that, him lying about his name and date of birth is stupid. Because stuff like this, you don't always go to jail for things for this, you know?
I didn't even know you had an elevator.
It depends on the amount in your history.
You're from Macon? So are y'all just down here visiting or just...
I love my job.
So what are you doing in Athens? I mean, why'd y'all come here today? Just hanging out or?
Yeah, appointment.
Oh, I got you. But I got you. But you ain't got no connection to Athens. Y'all were just up here for an appointment? Alright. Go ahead. You said your name was what?
Anthony Bell.
Anthony Bell, correct?
Correct.
What's your date of birth again?
March 27, 65.
3/27 and 65 is what you got, Central?
Yeah, it's not returning. We have history with blackmail.
I'll try to figure it out. I know your status 10, but when you got one, give me one. Up to loss prevention. Hey, wait till we get to the loss prevention room, man. I'm not gonna do an elevator. You don't have an ID on you?
No.
And you've given me the right birthday and everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever had a Georgia license?
No, sir. I can give you more than that.
What do you got? What's that?
I'll tell you what I'm getting.
Are any of the sensors removed?
Didn't be. Those were in the bag.
I didn't read it.
None of them had sensors on them?
Thought we ditched over there, and I'll have to look at that other item.
Figure it out. You didn't take nothing off with those pliers? The sweater had one on it?
Whip. I couldn't listen to it.
told you to do it?
Nah, I said shit's not her.
Oh. Just go in here. Take those sweats off. Go over there and do
I
it.
got a camera right there. I don't want any nakedness. You can do it without getting naked.
What were you trying to tell me about? You can tell me other stuff?
Yeah, it's a little ring. That's why I can't. That's actually why I wrote down here with her.
But you're giving me the right name, right?
Yes, sir.
Anthony Bell.
32765.
Go ahead. What state are you from?
So David is Norm at Dunkin' Donuts.
He's saying he's from Macon. I'm gonna give it again. Alright. Anthony's your first name, right?
Yes, sir. I ain't lying on that.
No, I know, we're just trying to find it. What's your middle name? Lamar? We're in the loss prevention room. 369 Central. He gave me Anthony. If you can't find it, I can check Accurate. So you said you've only been arrested like once? Do you know your social? What is it? You never been arrested in Athens? 369 Central. I got a social you can try. Go ahead.
On Accurate, that social comes back to.
Your name's not. Alright, well, the issue is right now we're just having trouble finding you. So we're trying to find you. I'm gonna go get my computer and do some paperwork. Just hang out a minute.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second. But first, I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day.
Get my computer and do some paperwork. Just hang out a minute. He's not returning for some reason. Let me know if he changed his name, but he's been consistent. That's his name.
Please don't take me to.
Sir, like I said, there's no way around that right now. You can't give a false name. I mean, we're only allowed to cite people who are cooperative.
What if I give you a shoplifting ring to come down here? I will never come back to Athens. I will never go in a belt or nothing. I promise you, man. I'll pay for this stuff. Please, man. I will never come back to Athens.
Yeah, he ready to
I
snitch.
understand what the big deal is. I mean, it sucks, but
I'm an old man, man.
they're gonna let you right out, like I told
No,
you.
it's not, man.
And the other thing is, we don't really have an option because we haven't even 100% verified who you are. Your phone number's coming back to this different guy now.
Want to set up for me?
Please don't take me to jail.
They're like, there's no way out of that.
Stand up for me, please.
You handle it.
If you're cooperative, they'll get you right in and right out.
Turn around, sir.
Hands behind your back. This last chance, you're giving us the right name, right? When they fingerprint you, it's not going to come back with a different name, is it? Sir, you're giving the right name, correct? Hey, sir? Right name, correct? He doesn't have anything in his pocket like an ID, right?
No,
So I'm just going to go with my correct?
It don't matter.
Yeah, it does matter.
It matters,
man.
Stand
up, stand up. I think it's him, but I mean the little.
Man, it looked like him. It looked like he done lost some weight.
And it looks like him, but
Surgery, man.
yeah, but you're giving us the right name, right, Hannibal? Because if you get to the jail, they're gonna fingerprint you. I don't want to come back to a completely different name.
Oh.
That's gonna delay you getting out, man. I want you to get out as soon as possible. If you're not giving us the right name, you're not gonna be able to get out. What name is gonna come back on your fingerprint?
Man, I ain't gonna never dig a deeper hole for myself.
Well, just tell me your real name.
with him, man.
Tell me your real name. That you do look like me. It doesn't look exactly like you. So just tell me your real name and we'll be done with it. I mean, we got to get the right name. That's all I want is the right name. I mean, we'll take you and we'll let them book you in, but if it comes back to a completely different name,
I'll never get out.
dude, this is Athens, Clark County. I promise you'll get out.
You got something else open over your head?
I ain't got no worries.
Well, what's your name?
Nah, if he's saying he never getting out, he must be involved in something going on. Something going on for sure.
Man, what's your name real quick? Just give me your real name. Give me your real name and I'll work.
Because to be that scared to give up your name for some shoplifting, that don't even, bruh, that don't even make sense.
With you. What's your real name?
How you gonna work with me, man?
I'm not gonna charge you with everything I could. So give me your real name. All right. So that used to be a white dude's phone number. You're not Scott. But what's your name, man? You not gonna tell me your name?
That's fine. You can just go sit out in jail till the next 3-4 days.
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna have to put you in as John Doe if you don't tell me your name. What's your name?
John Doe sits for it until
Dude, if you listen, man, if you just go on these misdemeanor charges, you can get right in and right out. But if we don't know who you are, or if you get over there and they fingerprint you, you can't get right out.
Wayne, my brother, man.
Wayne's your brother. What's your name? Greg what? Gregory? What's your date of birth? You have warrants or something?
No.
Why you get wrong name then?
I don't want to go to jail, man. I got a lot of going on, man.
Alright, he gave another false name. His actual name is probably going to be Gregory 63.
So if I had put that stuff back, I would have been all right.
If you would have taken it, yeah, you would have been alright. But once you left the store with it,
Central 3369. Gregory for probation violation on shoplifting charge. Second one is an original charge of shoplifting out of Rockdale County.
What?
I only got a lot of stuff you might have to deal with.
alright, that's who we're out with. Go ahead and run a criminal history on him. You probably do have a lot of shoplifting, don't you?
How many times you been arrested for shoplifting?
Let me get a phone. Listen,
We're not doing any of that right
Y'all
now.
can go ahead and start over
listen.
there.
Hey, we done went back and forth. We done gave him opportunity. Remember what I said, being on the door?
Listen.
Come on, let's go ahead and walk out to the car.
Did you tell him we're 1095? You can do it.
Sir, I'm gonna take a quick picture if you would. Look at me.
He didn't want to, I can get you a picture.
Okay. You trespass from all belt property for 1 year, for 5 years.
As far as this belt, tell him he's barred from here for 2 years.
Listen,
You're
man.
Hold on.
You're banned from all belt property for 2 years.
This belt right here is all we can enforce, so you're barred from this belt for 2 years. You understand that?
MSV, cool.
And I'm Sergeant Corey, Mall Security, and you're banned from this facility for 2 years.
You're barred from the mall and belt for 2 years, all right?
I'm never coming back.
I know, but this Athens Mall and belt.
This is what we have.
Oh,
Hey, Lieutenant. Yes.
man, you already gave me 2 false names, not one.
I think you want to know about the warrants.
You got warrants for probation violation or
I
something?
didn't even go on probation.
That's fine. You're not on probation. Are you on parole?
Yeah, so
I think it's a parole violation, but we'll deal with it all, man.
So we don't talk with or work with people who are deceptive with us from the start, you understand? So next time, that's something to think about. We do work with people, but not if we don't feel like we can work with you.
The suspect was booked for theft by shoplifting, possession of tools for commission of a crime, and giving false name.
Unreal. Come on, man. You too old. You way too old to be doing this stuff, man. Way too old. Act right. What's up, Peyton? Yeah, way too old to be doing this stuff, man. Way too old, man. It don't even sound right. And then you be failing at stealing. You are a failure. You have made a career out of shoplifting, and you are a failure because you have failed and got caught so many goddamn times. You too old, man. Golly, I rate these officers, man. I give them a 3, man. Satisfactory, man. That's what I give them on this, man.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.